Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Mahima and this video is going to be a conversational video where we will be talking about digital detox. So without further ado, let's start the video. First things first, let's talk about what is digital detox. Digital detox means using less of the digital devices. So I've been thinking, let's take my example. I'll be taking my example. So lately I've been feeling like not unfocused. I'm feeling like I'm unable to focus on things because I have been using a lot phone, laptop and my tab, that I feel like there is no space for my mind to do any other activity. So what happens is, when you just give a lot time on the digital devices, on the screen, then you feel like your brain get used to it. Your brain getting stimulation, getting instant dopamine while scrolling reels, while scrolling Instagram, listening music. And whenever you just get apart from that, then you feel like unfocused, because now your brain has this habit of getting instant dopamine. So just try to avoid phone or any digital devices for 3-4 hours. Then you'll feel like, yeah, then you'll get space for the things that really matter. So what I try to say in this video is, when we use a lot of screen, then we get a lot of stimulation, we get a lot of information in our mind, that we don't have space for the thoughts which really matter. So I think we all have realized at one point in our life, that at one point of time in our life, that something is not going good, because you're not feeling focused, you're giving a lot of time on the social media, on the digital devices, that you don't feel like doing other thing which really matters. So the thing is, our mind or our brain has this habit of using a lot of has a habit of getting a lot of dopamine by doing instant things like scrolling phone and all these things. So the brain has the habit of getting instant dopamine. So when you try to do anything else uh, apart from the digital devices, then you feel like you are what you're doing. Then you feel like, what am I doing? So you have to think, you have to just give it a thought, that try to avoid phone or social media or anything for 3-4 hours. Then you feel like there is a lot of space for your mind, there are a lot of you'll sit with yourself, then you'll sit with your thoughts, then you'll be able to know what really matters. So the whole point of this video is to make you guys aware about the thing, that when you give a lot of time to digital devices, then you get used to it. And when you don't get that thing, then your mind feels like going back to it's mind has this default habit of getting instant dopamine. The mind try to avoid, or the brain try to avoid the things which requires effort, and it has the habit of getting instant dopamine or instant reward. So when we do the things which is easier to do, like listening to music and scrolling phone, Instagram, YouTube and Pinterest and a lot of things, shopping sites, then you get instant dopamine, which is easier to do. And when you try to do something like studying or reading or any particular task at hand, your work, then it requires a lot of effort. So when your brain try to avoid that, because the brain has this habit of the overstimulation or stimulating and getting instant reward. So the thing is, your mind is overstimulated, your brain is overstimulated. It has a habit, it has this habit of getting instant reward. And when you try to avoid that thing, when you train your mind or your brain to just avoid that thing, and when you train your mind to be bored, like to be when you get in the habit of feeling bored but you're okay with that, then you'll be able to sit with yourself, sit with your thoughts. And as a result of that, your mind or brain has the space for the activities that really matters. So the summary of this video is, just try to avoid a lot of overstimulation, then the brain has this space for the meaningful activities. So let me know in the comments if this video resonates with you, and also like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching.